Hi, Ma'am and Sir. I am Elizabeth L. Esteban. I am 34 years old. I am married but separated. I have only one child. He is 10 years old. I am a Catholic. I have 2 brothers and 4 sisters. I am trustworthy, hardworking, and responsible. I am a housemaid here in the Philippines in 3 years, in one employer. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids. My main duties are cleaning the house, cooking, washing the clothes, gardening, ironing, and taking care of the kids. To my future employer, I hope you will give me a chance to be your helper in your family. I will do my very best to make all my duties very well. I always obey and follow your instruction. I can handle all the household works even without your supervision. I will take care of your family, especially when you have a kids. I will promise that I finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you and God bless you.